You were right. I was wrong. You're the best. I'm the worst. You're good looking. I am unattractive. I think someone commented on the last time they thought maybe this was a fake screen behind me, but look, oh, it's real. Well, listen, folks, this is a tough video to make. I'm not going to lie. During the course of my YouTube career, which has only been, I think, a year and a half, maybe. Anyway, there have been other YouTubers that I have called out, other YouTubers that were talking negatively about drip, and I would make videos responding to them. Example would be this guy. His YouTube name was My Two Satoshis. Yo, bro, if you're watching, you were right. Another one is Nakamoto Crypto, which I have a lot of respect for. He and I, we debated this a little bit in a friendly manner. And bro, what can I say? I'm recognizing there's defeat right now. There's a few other people. I apologize. I do have a little bit of hopium that I want to share, and we're going to go over that in a second. But let me just show you one of the frustrations that I have. Let's take a look here. So this is Heartbreak City right here. So this is my drip account, my faucet. I have been hydrating like crazy. I have 2 days till max wallet. 2 days. Now listen, I know there's a lot of other YouTubers that, have way more than I have in drip, and they put in more, and that's fine, but I didn't, want you to think that I'm one of these YouTubers that has been just selling drip like crazy. I have not even really had a chance to enjoy look at this. What is this? What is this even? Oh my God, look at the value of that. Because right before I pressed record, the drip price had tanked. I think it's at like 5. It's showing 6 here. Oh, it's heartbreaking. Just when I'm getting ready to start enjoying the fruits of my labor, we have the biggest price crash in the history of drip. Yeah, if we come over to the drip chart, this is the 5-minute, and wow, that is a lot of drip being sold. Not sure who that was or what the story is behind this, but that's tough. Guys, we just need to find a damn bottom. We just need to find a bottom. So here's the hopium. One of the things that many YouTubers have brought up, Drip Coach is one of them. Prior to Triple D, I mean, this is going back months now. We were able to see that there was an enormous amount of liquid drip just sitting in people's wallets. It was something we were all nervous about. It's the reason Triple D was even, created, basically. And I think it's fair to say that all of that, for the most part, is gone. So the dumping could be over. I don't get on the blockchain and look at wallets and stuff like that. I'm sure, Coach, if you're watching this, man, can you maybe piggyback? You're real good at this. Just, you don't have to. I'm trying to see if there's still a lot of people that are holding drip, and I don't think there is. I think a lot of people have sold. Some of it could be very intentional to try and ruin the project. Others, it may have been just that they had all this drip. They were waiting for some type of price reversal when they saw Triple D launch, and the price didn't moon after 20 minutes. They were like, well, that's it. I'm done. And they got rid of all their drip. I don't know. That's a possibility. Triple D was never supposed to make it moon right away. So anyway, maybe that's it. We are starting fresh, brand new. It's the contract's not going away. There will always be drip, right? That's, you know what I mean? Like we could get down to fractions of a penny, but the contract is immutable, and there will always be it. So you don't have to worry about that. And, maybe the plan is to just keep building wallets. Right now that we got a lot of the bad actors out, or I don't want to say bad, just a lot of the people that were holding large amounts of drip. Now that we've gotten them out, we've flushed them out of the system. This could have some type of turnaround. I don't know, guys. Listen, I'm feeling very defeated. I'm just trying to look at the bright side of things as much as I can, and know that I'm admitting when I'm wrong. And it looks like I'm very well in the wrong on this, because I really thought that drip would never go this low. So that's where I'm at. I gave you the hopium. Additionally, never, one thing I've learned, all right, never underestimate the power of this drip community. Believe me, if there's a project that's going to have a turnaround story, it's going to be drip, and it's going to be the community that does it. So at any rate, I'm going to go sulk for a little bit, and then start building more wallets. I think that's only the next indicated action to do. Anyway, let me know what you think. Leave comments down below, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.